It's 56, I think. It's a 56, I believe. Yeah. Doesn't say on it, but it's a 57. This would be more pronounced in the front, like the cars. I'm assuming if it's 55, it would be less pronounced. I don't know. It's around. I'm within a year though.
It's 50 something.
56, I believe. No, it's not a 58 or 54. So it's probably 56. So 250. I love these engines, man. You know what I liked about these engines? They had no timing chain. They had gears. Sometimes I just don't like. You know what it is with those timing chains? They didn't break, but what they did from the factory is they put the top gear, which is the cam gear. They put nylon teeth on the top gear on a lot of them to make it run so you didn't hear the chain noise as much. Which I'm like, I don't know how the hell you'd even hear that over all the other damn noises coming out of the engine. And what happens is, the first thing to break is not the chain or the gear. It's the nylon teeth on the top gear of the camshaft, and then you screw up all your valves, and you got to do a valve job to change. Plus leaving you stranded right in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, and you also got to get all the nylon teeth out of the oil pan, which will get caught up in your pickup, your oil pickup. Which you can clog the screen and give you less oil pressure. Did you know that? Probably didn't know that, did you? But that was one of the things that used to aggravate the hell out of me, like even when they did these cars way back when. Why did they make aftermarket ones? Don't come like that for the most part. Nobody buys them like that anyway. 56?
That's 7.
It's a 7. Oh, it's a 7. I was wrong. I knew it was a 56 or 7. I knew it wasn't a 5.
Yep.
Are they very close?
I'm sorry?
Are they extremely close in looks?
Oh, I have no clue. You want to talk to him.
Alright. I know the car I get told in 2 seconds flat, but not the truck. I mean,
I just sit here. That's all I do. She sits here and she walks around it in the garage.
There you go. This thing never looked this good even from the showroom, man. You know that? Paint was never this good even. It's all stock. That's what I love about this. I like the truck stock height like that. Because you know what I always imagine running down a gravel road. But at least with a standard non-metallic color, you can touch it up. You know, you can respray it, match it real good. It's nice. Did I get the interior? It's probably got a granny gear on it too. 140 mile an hour speedometer with that 6-cylinder. Yeah. We'll get there eventually. Yeah. So, is a 56 and a 7 very close in style?
Well, the same style, I think, was 48 or 49 with the cab, same cab all the way.
Well, I mean the cabs are, but I mean as far as the fender.
I think that changed to 54, 55.
Oh yeah, I know it's
They're
different.
rounded.
I know 55, but 56 and 7, were they about the same?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I got it wrong. Okay, I said 56. All right, that's
When you get the 58, it's got the dual header.
right. I know the 58. Yeah. Yeah, I know the cabs
My
are.
first vehicle, I had a 57 Chevy step side, but it had the wraparound back window.
I know
And 3 on the tree.
Oh, yeah.
I know the cabs have stayed the same for many years. As a matter of fact, the bigger ones that you look like way bigger and they got a piece on the bottom, they use the same cabs too. I mean, it'll be like the, I don't know, the 5-ton truck or some crap, you know. But you know what I liked about those big ones? If you want to get a rust-free cab, you can usually get them off one of those big ones because they're so high up, the bottom part rots out, and that cab way the hell up there is good, and you can use it.
That's true.
Yeah.
This is all metal, no rust.
Yeah, I hear you, man. It looks better than showroom.